Okay, so 6.3 transformation of logarithm function. This is the general form of the log. Y is equal to a log kx minus d plus c. We had done this before. A is vertical stretch compression. K is belong to the horizontal, right? Horizontal compression stretch. D is to right or left. C is up down. A, when the A is greater than 1 is going to be stretch. When less than 1 is going to be compressed vertically. C is up and down. If this positive, go up. C negative, go down. K, if the K is bigger than 1, it's going to be compressed. Less than 1, a stretch. D to the right and left, again, if this is x plus 1, that will be to the left, -1 to the right. You want to do the mapping rule again here, doing an example to see what is these points are going to be using these examples. So I have y equal to log 2x minus 4 plus 1. First, you have to write this one as a factor form inside because the k is in a factor form. I can use the mapping rule. If you remember the mapping rule we have done before. So it's for x transformation going to be x divided by 2. There is -2, it becomes +2. For y, there is nothing here. It's just 1 multiplied by y plus 1. Then we get the point, the original point. So here is x and y. Here, you know the parent function is equal to y is equal to log x. And when nothing is written here, means the base is 10. So if the log of 0 is 10 to the power of, so log of 1 is 0, right? When the x is 1, therefore your y value gonna be 0. When the x is 10, the y value is what? 10, log of 10 is 1. I can put 0, 0.1, you know, 10 to the power of -1 will be 0.1. That's why these are the 3 key points from the parent function. Now I'm going to do this transformation. X divided by 2 plus 2 is going to be 2.5. Put 0 here for y. 0 plus 1 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And for y, you put 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05. It's going to be 2.05. And here is -1 is going to be 0. I have these 3 key points. I can graph that. I'm going to put this one down a little bit. See this point I have? I have 7 and 2. See, this is this point. I have 2.5 and 1 is this point. And I have the x-intercept approximately here. Just connecting this point. Make sure you have a vertical asymptote. Where is your vertical asymptote? The 0 in front of the log. Here, in front of the log, I have x minus 2, right? If you equal it to 0, you have x equal to 2. Therefore, I'm gonna just put that there. 1, 2, I have a vertical asymptote. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At 7, it is 2. I have this point. 2.5 is 1. Approximately a 2 is 0. Basically, you got in 3 points, you connected to each other, and you're going toward the asymptote. That would be the graph. Any question?
No.
So using the transformation, you do the same thing here again. I just put the transformation, the key points you already know. X, Y, because your parent function is y is equal to log of x, the base is 10. So if this is 0.1, the y is -1. If this is 1, the y is 0. 10, the y is 1. To do the transformation, you have to write this one in a factor form. X minus 6. Now I'm going to use the mapping rule. For x transformation, whatever you see, you reverse. Is 2x is negative 2x plus 6. For y transformation, -1 over 2y plus 2. So just putting the points 0.1, and here you get 5.8. For y, you put -1. -1 is gonna be 1.5. If you put 1 here, you get 4. You put 0 here, you get 2. You put 10, it's gonna be -4. You put 1 here, it's gonna be 2.5. So for vertical asymptote, you need to find the 0 in front of the log. Basically, x minus 6, you put 0. This x equal to 6 gonna be your vertical asymptote. Okay. You can draw that. So since this is vertical asymptote at 6, maybe I just draw it here. Here we have -4 as well, right? So maybe I just draw that here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 6, you have a vertical asymptote. 5.8 is 1.5. So if this is 1, this is 2. 5 is 1.5 is here. Actually, it's a little bit close into. It's 5.8. Is 1.5 is like that. 4 is 2, so it's 4 is 2 here. And -4 is 2.5. This is my point here. So as you see, we connect these points and you're going toward the asymptote, but never cross that. Any question? Do you have any question, Theodore?
No.
Okay. For worksheets, okay, so the worksheet that you see here, I want you to do question number 1, describe the transformation, and question number 2, and question number 3 and 4.